Hi friends, it's Julia and I am here with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series and I am on layout number 4. This is a series that I started at the first of the year where I create my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit, and then at the end of the month I create 7 layouts on 7 days with the kit, and today is day number 4. So I have chosen page map sketch from 2020, from November 2020, and this is the one here. It is a 2-page sketch, and I will show you a close-up once I get done showing you all the products that I have pulled in. Let me get down here to my paper. I have photos, and they're red, white, and blue photos, and I felt like they match this collection fairly well with the red, white, and blue paper. This cardstock that I pulled in is a little softer, a little more off-white texture than what is here, but I think it's going to work because all the photos are not 100% stark white. Some of the photos are a little hazier than others, and that's okay. So it doesn't have to be, these look stark white, these look off-white. So I think it's all going to work out. I pulled in some chipboard tags, some different embellishment pieces. I pulled in this gold puffy alphabet from Harper. Those tags are also from Harper. I pulled in the Lindsay epoxy hearts. I pulled in these Rebecca word phrases. I pulled in these Shea puffy stickers. I pulled in, this may be an Emily or it may be a Harper pocket page card. I'm not sure which. I pulled in these 2 scraps of Felicity Jane washi strips. I pulled in Freckled Fawn washi strips. I pulled in the word stickers from Emily. I pulled in lots of labels from Freckled Fawn. There are more and more and more. And then I did a deep dive into my stash, and I was trying to find some additional like 4th of July type photos, since we were making 4th of July embellishments, if you will, for my home, decorations for the home. I found this set of La Petites by the Paper Studio. I've had these for a while. They were made in 2007. That's the original run, but you guys know they keep their embellishments around forever, so I have no idea when those were from. Probably not in the last several years. And I also found these. They are a Sandylion set. So this is one, I had bought a big travel bag at the Goodwill, and inside of it were a lot of really old supplies. This is one of those that came from there. It is older and it is distressed. At the top, the clear backing paper has a yellowish tint, so I don't know if it's sun damage or shoot, it could be smoke damage for all I know from a smoker's home. Anywho, but there's a lot of good embellishments on here that I can use, so I'm going to use it. Somehow or another, I'm going to use it. These are clear backed stickers on clear paper, and so sometimes what you have to do with those is put them on a white cardstock to make them pop a little bit more, but I may not have to, depending on how bright that is. It looks pretty decent up against that dark color paper. Sometimes the dark color paper washes these out so much that you can't tell what the sticker is. So I pulled those in addition to all the embellishments from the kit, only because I wanted something a little bit more 4th of July themed. Okay, I'll show you a close-up of the layout, the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I created. Okay friends, I am done. Reminder, here's the layout, which you will have just seen a close-up of. A couple of things I finished up. I didn't necessarily finish this sheet of label stickers, but I did have a couple left that I put onto another carrier sheet, and I did use the last of the stickers on this carrier sheet. So those will go into the trash. Pattern paper left over. Yeah, there it is. That's what I have left. I did not use these stickers. I did not use these stickers. I did not use any of the labels that had color to them. So all of those labels were added in, but I did not use any of those. I just used the gold ones. As far as embellishments, I did use these. I used 3 of those. I did use 3 of the hearts. I used washi strips from here. I used 1 from this sheet. And then I used quite a few from here. I used the ones with the almost like an asterisk on a pink background, and then I used a star border strip here. I used multiple of those pink ones. I think I used 3 of them, and then only 1 of the yellow. So plenty to go back in. Here's where I added those 2 label stickers on here. I used quite a few from this page, and I used 2 from this page, and then the 3rd page I didn't use any from. So lots to use still. I had a larger sticker here, and then this one I used a larger one, and I used a ton, not any of the border strips, but I used a ton from this set. So I'm very happy with myself for that. I did use 1 sticker from this sheet. 1 is 1, I'm still counting it. And I did use one of the words from this side. And I pulled in this alphabet set, and I used these tiles to create part of my title, and then I used these tiles as well. And here is the layout that I created. And you can see, there we go. I had these chipboard numbers in with all of these little chipboard embellishments that I pulled in. All the little pieces that I pulled in, like the tag, the bow, the heart, and the today, I used all of those. I have 1, 2, 3 of the tags. I just used leftover ribbon. All those stickers I put across the top with the gold embellishment up there as well. Because these stickers had a little bit of yellow, I brought some yellow in by adding those epoxy hearts here, here, and here. Yeah, and here's my title down here, Family Time, and my journaling about spending time with my daughter-in-law, creating these home decoration items for 4th of July or Labor Day or whenever you choose to use them. American themed, I guess. Anyway, very pleased with how this layout turned out. Those stickers were nice and opaque. You don't see too much of the background paper behind. The white really adds embellishment, really adds a good texture behind, because you can still see some of the coloring through of the background paper, but you know, it all works out. And I love that it is another layout done. Let me show you over here on this one. You can really see it, I think, on this sticker, those stripes showing through. Anyway, I love how this turned out, and it is another layout done in for the books. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so stick around for that. If you're interested in seeing the other layouts, I do have a playlist. Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist, or my November 2021 playlist, and you will find them on one place or the other. Anyway, guys, if you like what you saw, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.